Most traders use MetaTrader, but very few traders ask the important question: which broker actually delivers the best MT4 and MT5 trading environment? Because MetaTrader performance is not just about the platform itself. Execution speed, spread stability, VPS performance, and latency can completely change your trading results. That's why we tested the top MetaTrader brokers under real trading conditions for 2026. HFM wins the Best MT4 and MT5 Forex Broker Award 2026. Why? Because it delivered one of the strongest MetaTrader trading environments we tested this year. Key strengths included low latency execution, stable MT4 and MT5 performance, VPS compatibility, expert advisor support, spread consistency, strong multi-device trading performance. This award focused entirely on MetaTrader infrastructure and execution quality. At Top Forex Brokers Review, we tested MetaTrader brokers using live trading accounts under real market conditions. Our testing included execution speed, slippage analysis, VPS latency, EA compatibility, spread consistency, platform stability during volatility. This was not based on marketing claims or demo environments. MT4 and MT5 may look similar, but they serve different trading needs. MT4 remains popular for simplicity, lightweight performance, EA compatibility, fast Forex execution. MT5 offers additional time frames, more order types, multi-asset trading, advanced strategy testing, but platform choice alone is not enough. Broker infrastructure plays a massive role in MetaTrader performance. HFM consistently delivered strong MetaTrader performance across multiple testing categories. During testing, the broker showed fast order execution, low latency trading, stable spread behavior, strong VPS support, smooth one-click trading, reliable EA performance. For scalpers, algorithmic traders, and active MetaTrader users, execution consistency matters heavily. And HFM delivered one of the strongest MetaTrader execution environments we tested in 2026. Expert advisors and VPS trading were major parts of this year's evaluation. We tested automated trading stability, VPS uptime, latency reduction, strategy execution consistency, multi-EA workflows. HFM performed especially well for traders running automated MetaTrader strategies under fast market conditions. That made it a strong choice for algorithmic and MetaTrader-focused trading setups. Scalping performance depends heavily on execution speed, slippage control, spread stability, order fill quality. During high volatility testing, HFM maintained strong execution consistency across both MT4 and MT5 environments. This was one of the biggest reasons the broker stood out during evaluation. HFM wins the Best MT4 and MT5 Forex Broker Award 2026 because it delivered one of the strongest MetaTrader trading environments we tested this year. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns.